press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. So in the last class, we come to know about the Wonder Bowl story, right? How kind the Philemon and Baucis are. So because of their kind heart, because of their hard work, because of their hospitality, good angels, they blessed them and they went off, right? So with their blessing, they lived happily, right dear children? So now I am going to let's practice vocabulary work. It means grammar and activity work, which is given in your textbook, page number 78. Children, you have to open page number 78. Take a pencil and eraser. Take a pencil and eraser. See what I am going to read now, all, or I will write on the board. You have to write it in your textbook, right? Take a pencil. See page number 78. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the bracket. You have to fill the blanks now. I am going to write these blanks after reading. You have to write it on your textbook with a pencil only. Don't write in a pen. Okay. See, one is done for you. One they fill the blank. So after blanks we have to fill now. See, the neighbors also saw the men in ragged clothes, but they did not realize that they needed shelter. Second dash here. Second dash, shelter. Shelter. You have to fill the blanks. Write on pencil. From where their cottage was. They could not see the dogs properly. Only Baucis, whose house was on the mount, could see the boys ill-treat the strangers. Philemon and Baucis were astonished. At the behavior of the boys hooted. So these all words new to you, right? See, ragged, in bad conditions, shelter. So they have to need the shelter there. Cottage, small house. Mount, raised area. Astonished, surprised. Hooted, making a loud voice. Right dear children? See, these all were given in the last line. Cottage, astonished, hooted, shelter, mount. See, you have to fill the blanks to seeing these words. Let's see, read again this paragraph. You have to write it down. You have to write in your textbook with a pencil. Right dear children? See, shelter, cottage, mount, astonished, hooted. See, the neighbors also saw the men in ragged clothes, but they did not realize that they needed shelter. From where their cottage was, they could not see the dogs properly. Only Baucis, whose house was on the mount, could see the boys ill-treat the strangers. Right? Philemon and Baucis were astonished at the behavior of the boys. The boys hooted till they were out of their breath. See? So you have to fill these blanks. Let's see. Go next. V2. Now V2. This is V1. Let's we go V2. V2, that is opposites. V2. Baucis earlier had poured out of the milk. Later, one of the strangers asked for more. So, earlier she poured the milk. Earlier. So, later, one of the strangers asked the more. So, this is the opposite. You have to come to know earlier, later. Opposite words these are. See, let's see. The word earlier is the opposite of later. So, right. Practice the use of the opposites. Let's practice this one. For example, plastic is light but iron is heavy. Light, heavy. You have to fill this blank, dear children. Light. Opposite is heavy. Right? First one. This is example word. This is example question. This is. Now first one. This chair is comfortable but that one is uncomfortable. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Comfortable. Opposite is uncomfortable. Comfortable. You have to write it. Second one. You are late today. Please come early to school. Late, early. Second one. Late, early. Third one. Some buses are ordinary and some buses are special. Special, ordinary, special. Ordinary, ordinary, opposite is special, right? Next one, my sister is happy but my brother is sad. Happy, sad. Fourth one, I will write here fourth one, so it will see. Fourth one, happy, happy, sad. You have to write it. Happy, sad. Okay. So, in this lesson, if you will observe other words, means you have to try to write the opposite words. Other words, you have to write the opposite of that words. Let's see next. V3. V3. Read the following paragraph. We have to read this paragraph. The boys hooted the strangers in rags. The elders did not heartily welcome them. Though they were feasting, they had no mind to be hospitable. They ill-treated the two of them. In fact, they were astonished that the Philomene couple accepted them as guests that night. Recognize the words you are familiar with and make sentences of your own. So, after you come to know that lesson, if you are going to recognize some word, so what I wrote, it means new words, already you come to know what is the meaning of that. If you know that words, means that words you have to underline those words and you have to try to make the sentences, own sentences, right? Let's try. See, V3, after reading the paragraph, we have to do this activity, that is making sentence, right? See next, what you are going to recognize, welcome we should, so welcome, just you see welcome, welcome is there, you know this word, welcome, you have to make a, so 5 lines is given, 6 lines is given you have to write a new word, special word, or you know the word already, means you have to write that word, try to make a sentence. First you have to write a welcome, first one, welcome, welcome, that is you have to make a welcome, meaning we should welcome the guest. You have to try. I am saying this my sentence. You have to write your own sentence. If you try to want to write that means you have to write it down. We have to welcome the guest. Welcome. You have to make a sentence. Next means hospitable is there. See, hospitable. 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 You have to make this sentence for this word hospitable. Hospitable, the poor couple. Right? The poor couple are hospitable to the guests. So you have to try to make a sentence. Ill treat is given there. See, ill treat. Last line, ill treat. Make your own sentence for ill treat. Ill treat. So, village boys ill treat to seeing the strangers. You have to make your own sentence. Don't ill treat the poor people. So, like that also you have to write. Make your own sentence. So, next astonished is given there. Astonished. Astonished. So, here good lady, it means bosses was astonished to seeing one of the stranger, one of the guests pouring the milk from the empty bowl, right? So, if you want to make other sentence means you have to make the sentence and write it on that line. So, next is accepted is given there in see. Accepted is given there. So, hardly we have to accept the guests. So, this sentence if you want to write means you have to write, otherwise you have to make your own sentence. We should accept whatever we are given. This also good sentence you have to write, otherwise you have to make a sentence and write it on the line. So, last given there guests. Guests. So, we have to welcome the guest. We have to treat the guest with a kind heart, right? If you want to write this sentence, you have to write, otherwise you have to make your own sentence or write in the given dash line. Let's say move on the next one, that is prefixes and suffixes. So, I hope you wrote all these. So, I am going to rub now. So, next part I am going to continue. So, now V4. See, V4 is given here. Look at the V4. Some words are given below. Add suffixes like ION, able, ABLE, FUL, full to frame new forms of the words. So, first we come to know what is the meaning of suffixes. See, suffixes is given here. Oh, we have to write the suffix forms. Suffixes. What is the meaning of suffixes? Could you tell me, dear children, if you know means? Now you are 7th standard students. The suffixes and prefixes already I did in the 6th. Let's say I will do now. See, what is the meaning of suffixes? A syllable. A syllable or a word part added added to the end of a syllable or a word part added to the end of a word is called suffixes. You have to write, dear children. So you want to know the meaning of suffixes. So look at the meaning of suffixes. Suffixes means a syllable or a word part added to the end of a word is called a suffixes. For example, example I am telling there. So after I will give some example, means you come to know. So what's the suffixes are? Let's just see examples. See, first one is given here, joy. Joy, joyful. See, look at, dear children, joy is given here. We are going to write a joyful. Joyful is a suffix here, right? So we write a ful full word. It means word. So we are going to add this word to joy. So if we will add like this, full, able, ION. So like that, if you will add, so end of the word, so joy, so full, joyful. We are adding full from end of this word, right? So now it is become a suffix. Understanding? So next one, wonder. That is wonderful. Right? So full is added here. So this is a suffix now. See? Next one, third one, dedicate, or dictation, dictation. ION I am adding here. See? Dictation. Fourth one, comfortable. So next, fifth one, next, hopeless or hopeful. Hopeful. See, these are the suffixes. We are going to add a word or syllable to end of this word. That is called a syllable. So joy, joyful, wonder, wonderful, dictate, dictation, comfort, comfortable, hope, hopeful. So next is success, successful, possess, possession, concentrate, concentration, honor, honorable, medicate, medication. You have to write it like this. And let's say go next. Think about the text. So question answer is given here. C2, page number 80. Some questions are given below. Discuss answers with your partner, group and write them. See, describe the hospitable of the old couple, picking out at least 2 examples. So you have to pick 2 examples. You have to try to tell write a hospitable of a couple. See, we have to search in the text, right? So in one sentence they told that we have to never let any strangers without food, right? That is one hospitable word. So Again, if we'll say Baucis poured milk from the bowl into a. So next one is from a poured a milk from a bowl to the cups, and she told that if you had come earlier means we will share our supper to you. She told that. This is a kind words, hospitality it is showing this word, to seeing these words, right? So let's see next, what makes Baucis think that the strangers were not ordinary people? Even though in the empty bowl, one of the stranger took a bowl, he poured the milk, not only his cup but also his friend's cup. To seeing that, she come to know that they are special person, they are not ordinary man, maybe they are angels, right? They are God messengers. She think that, she was very astonished on that time. Right children, let's see next. What did the stranger tell Philemon and his wife before going away? They granted the wish of the couple, right? They turned their cottage into a palace. They told that how long you want to live, you live on that your cottage. After that you have to come together to a heaven, they told, right? They are blessed to the old couple, right children? So let's see next. Extract is given there. Extract C4. Read the following extracts and answer the question that follows. Extracts: who said this, to whom it was said, which lesson from this line is taken from. So all these questions is given here. So we have to try. Let's try to answer these questions. Don't worry, good lady. Don't worry, good lady. Let's see who told this. Which lesson in this slide taken from? This line is taken from the lesson The Wonder Bowl. Right? See, who is the lady here? The Baucis is the lady. Baucis. When did the speaker say so? When the lady had no milk in her home. In this time, the speaker say these words. May your bowl be full of milk always. Who said this? One of the guests said this, right? So, who did he say this to? He said to the Baucis. Why did the speaker say so? It was because he was happy of their kindness. So that's why he told these lines. Good angels, we wish to die together. We wish to die together. So who does the word we refers to? We refers to the old couples. Old couple means Philemon and Baucis, right? See, who was it said to? It was said to the angels. Why did the speaker say so? It was their, why they say so means it was their wish, right? So next lines. Read the following story, page number 81. Read the following story. Seeing the neighbors finally finished a mansion, the man ran out of his palatial house, bring two visitors. We met two ragged beggars and gingerly walked towards them, but before they reached them, he saw a neatly dressed couple and forcefully brought them home. They angrily told him that they were on their way to attend a funerals. Underline words here are adverbs and adjective. Finally, quality of the finishing of mansion, making its adverbs. The word ragged describe the man's dress, making in its adjective. See, we have to fill the G1 blanks is given. Complete the following sentence with the suitable forms of the words in the bracket. So, taking the bracket, in that bracket one word is given to you, you have to complete the blanks. See, Pradeep's father dash called his Deepu. Affectionate is given there, we have to write affectionately. Pradeep's father affectionately called him Deepu. Right? So, second one, the audience laughed dash at the joke. Loud is given there, we have to write loudly. G1 this is first one we have to write loudly. Second one, so the audience laughed loudly at the joke. Next one, his foot was injured yet he played dash bravely. Even though his foot was injured, he played bravely. Right? Third one, he have done dash in the exam, so I will pass well in the exam. Right? Fourth one, a tortoise moves very obviously slowly. Right? Fifth one, can you spell the word Q? Correctly. Can you spell the word Q correctly? Sixth one, it rained dash, so I postponed my trip heavily. Seventh one, the baby is sleeping, please speak softly. Soft is given there, we have to write softly. Eighth one, he looked at me dash when I laughed at him. Angry is given there, you have to write angrily. Ninth one, the soldiers fought dash and won the battle. Courage is given there. Courageously, you have to write courageously. Tenth one, we had to walk dash to get to the school on time. We have to write fast. So, fill these blanks, dear children. G first. So, blanks is given there, you have to fill the blanks. Next. G2. Read the following sentence using the adjective form of the words underlined. So, you have to write this word, underline word is given here, you have to write it. Read the following sentence using the adjective forms of the word underlined. John drives the car carefully, John drives the car with care. So, you have to observe the line, we have to change the line. How we have to change the line? Look at, let's see. First one is, Bhuvana fed the puppy lovingly. So, one sentence is given here. We have to change. Bhuvana fed the puppy with love. Right, dear children. Bhuvana fed the puppy with love. So, second one, they easily solved the sum. They solved the sum easy. They solved the sum easy. Third one, Vijaya sang melodiously. Vijaya sang melodic. Vijaya sang melodic. Fourth one, Pramod writes neatly is given there. Pramod writes neat. Pramod writes neat. See, fifth one. Rahim always speaks calmly. Rahim always speaks calm. Rahim always speaks calm. Okay, children. So you have to write this. So next, further reading, read the story Mahabharata and know how Draupadi was able to serve food to sage Dhruva and his disciples. Next, epic character of Mahabharata and Draupadi. So more vocabulary, if you will go more vocabulary means V1 is given there. Here is a list of incomplete words. Complete them by using REARORIEEI. Use a dictionary in necessary. So dear children, this is your work. To seeing the dictionary, you have to write to using RAAREIEEI. So using this letters, you have to write the columns. Lecturer is given, lecturer you have to write singular. So you have to write like this to seeing the. So another work is given to you, you have to write it. V2, there are some words that are often misused because they sound alike, but they are spelled differently. Can you complete these words by putting the right letter in the box? So dear children, you have to write your own, you have to try to write this. Done one is done for you. See, a period when there is no war, that is peace. A bit or part of something, peace. You come to know that rule or a law, that is principle. A head of a college or principal. You have to write. So try to write this one. So a place on a frame where milk is kept, a daily record of the events in a person's life. That is a diary I think so. You have to write the correct spellings. A person who is not strong, a period of 7 days. Week, this is. You have to write a correct spelling. A person who is lovable, an animal which runs fast. That is deer I think so. You have to write correct spellings. Okay. So another W1 is given here. Some incidents from the story are given in these sentences. The words in each of the sentence are jumbled. Reread them correct and sequential as they appear in the story. So already you come to know what the story was. That is the Wonder Ball. So seeing the story, you have to arrange the sentences in a correct form. Right, dear children? So what I did now, I hope you understood all these vocabulary and activity parts, grammar. So I hope you understood. You have to, if you come to know the meanings, another extra information means you have to go through the dictionary, difficult words meaning. So I hope you understood this much of grammar. So next class I will come with in front of you taking a new topic or new poem. So until that, you have to practice and be home. Take care. Thank you.